I'm still Cliff, and today me and my kitten Adeline are going to go ahead and walk you through how to use the YouTube software. Okay, we'll just start from the top and work our way down. On the options tab, I'm sure that you've already seen this. That's how you got to this tutorial. More software is just more of my own software. More training is some additional training from Clive. And of course, you can always check for updates anytime you want. All right, let's look at the keywords. We have two options on these keywords, and it's sort of an either or type of thing. For example, if you just wanted to do a single keyword, well, you would just type it in here, paste it, whatever. It wouldn't matter if you put 1 in here or 10 or 20. If you just happen to have your own list of very specific keywords that you want to use, just type them in, paste them in, whatever, and run the program. You're good to go. On the other hand, if you have a root keyword and you just want to let the software collect some other relevant keywords for you, just put it into the root keyword box, click on the collect related keywords, and there you go. And this is just a little pop-up, sort of just letting you know that this is finished, and you can edit, add, remove, do anything that you want with the keywords to make them go ahead and fit your need. Like for me, I certainly wouldn't be needing lyrics and things like that, right? Okay, so that's it. That's just going to pre-populate all of it for you. All right, so let's go ahead and look at this now. Now this is a delay timer. Now this is twofold, right? How the software works for you is going to depend on your computer speed and your internet access speed. All right, so if you start getting some failures, just not getting the quality of results that you want, well, it could, and most likely is, that the software's moving faster than what either your computer or your internet speed is allowing. So this thing goes from 0 seconds up to 17 seconds. Okay, that you can put it, and the delay is a delay in between each time it goes and processes a video. Now the more keywords that you have here, the more you're going to want to go ahead and put a delay in. All right, because if you just the Google, YouTube, they're all the same. I mean, if you just hit them too fast, too many keywords, too many searches, well, then it's going to trigger a temporary ban on your IP address or something like that. So you can go ahead and slow this down. Like for example, if you had 200 keywords in here, well, you would certainly want to space those out to where it's not just rapid fire. But now I've only got, what is it, 9 in here, I think is what it is. So I'm going to go ahead and leave mine on 0. Now if you want to get results from a version of YouTube that's not local to you, for example, if you're in France and you want US results, well, you can go ahead and use a proxy right here. You would use a US proxy, and there you go. Now you're going to get US results, or vice versa. If I'm here in the US but I'm marketing in France, well, then I'm going to go ahead and put a French proxy in here, and that's all there is to it. And this, you'd put the proxy in the port, okay, just how you normally get them. And if you have a username and password, you can put that in. If you don't, you don't have to, right? Okay, so let's go ahead and run the program. Now what's happened here is I've made it to where a pop-up comes and covers the screen, and the only option to you is to stop the program. This was sort of a safety feature because I had some users who were somewhat unexperienced, and they would click that run button and then continue to click it multiple times, which just really goofed things up. So this was just an easy fix for me. Okay, here's the information we're getting. It's showing us that the number of keywords we have is 9. The total videos that it found to check, unique videos, is 138. And what it's doing is it's taking all the results from the first page of YouTube for each keyword, right? And then it's removing any duplicates. And it's showing you how many it's processed so far. We've got 11 of 138 of them done. The number of videos that it has found that it's monetized, in other words, that you are able to slap your own ad on those videos. And it's showing you what it's currently processing, the video title, and giving you some basic information here. Now I'm going to go ahead and pause this so that we don't have to wait for it to go all the way through, and we can pick up the video from there. Okay, so the software is about to finish up with us for us. And there it is, this close button. It says completed and close button. I kind of ran them into each other. So that shows up, right? So just go ahead and this gave you just a visual of what was going on throughout the process. So we'll go ahead and double click that to close it. Now we've got all of our results right here, right? Now that leads us to this actual table and what you can do with it. You could select some of these, scroll through it, find some that you didn't like, that didn't fit in with what you needed for whatever reason, and just tell it to go ahead and delete those, and they're gone. Now if for some reason you want them back, that's not a problem either. Now they're back in there. Okay. You can, for example, you could go through and just pick several that you wanted for sure, that you knew you want them for sure, and click that display selected so that you could really pay attention to these main ones that you wanted. We're going to go ahead and undo that again. Or if you want to sort, you can do that, but I'm going to tell you on the sorting by the title, views, subscribers, or publish date, because some of them have the word views with them and some of them don't, or it says you've got 2K here, 109 there, 2 million here. Okay, so it's really not going to it's not going to sort out for you just perfectly, but I mean, it's powerful. It's still very usable. Okay, so now that you've got that and you've got it selected, you can tell it, all right, well, I want to save this data. And so you would just put in whatever name that you needed to. You don't need to put a file type on it because it's going to save a table, so that's a CSV file, so it's going to save it as that. Then it's just telling you where it saved it to. So now if we open that, we're able to see all of the data, okay, everything across the board. So we've got that, but just say you're already real comfortable running it, you're smooth with it, everything's all good and fine. You can also just export the URLs, right? And we'll just say, let's name this text. Okay, and we save that. So now we can open that up, and now we've just got our list of URLs, and every one of these URLs, every single one of them, have ads on them. So you're able to just go in and pick up these super targeted views, absolutely completely related to whatever you're trying to promote, and basically put your promotion right on top of them. So yeah, this is extremely powerful. Now there's already with the rest of this package that you bought, there's full instructions on on how and what to do. This is just for the software. This little tutorial here. So there it is. It's really simple. It's extremely powerful, and me and Clive, we've been doing some crazy stuff just using this software. So I hope that you'll enjoy it.